Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing investment website script of HyipMax latest version. So this is the HyipMax latest version script. Using this script you can make your own investment website within just 15 minutes. So viewers, in this video I will completely show you how you can make this website. So if you are looking for an investment platform website, so you are on the right video. In this video I'm gonna give you the complete review of this website. And viewers, let me tell you that if you want to buy this script or if you want us to build this complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and we will build this website for you at a very reasonable price. And many other designs are also available. And let me tell you that this website has 7 different templates, which means that in a single script you can use 7 different websites. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and I'm gonna make the complete video guide for this website. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and I will completely guide you about this. So first of all, you can look at its amazing home page. Each and everything that is on the home page is changeable from admin panel. It has an admin panel from where you can control this website. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. If you are a beginner, you can easily use this. Here you can see different investment plans on the website, and viewers, here you can see number 1 is Platinum Max plan. You will get 10%, and basically you can create these plans from admin panel. I just created these plans to show you, but you can create these plans according to you from admin panel. Here you can set the minimum maximum amount or fixed deposit, capital back or not. Here you can see the affiliate bonus over here. So user can also earn money through referrals as well. Here is a profit calculator. User can calculate his plan profit according to the plan. Here you can list these things from admin panel. You can change images. You can add about yourself from admin panel. Each and everything that is here is changeable. Here you can see several different things. Frequently asked questions section. Everything is changeable. You can see the top investors over here. And when you can see the website is newly created, it is on my subdomain. You can see it over here. So I've installed it on my subdomain and I'm giving you the demo. And here when people will invest or withdraw their money, they will be appeared over here. So you can delete these sections as well from admin panel. Admin can also insert blogs on the website, newsletters, and this is a footer section. Each and everything like this logo and text, everything is changeable from admin panel. Here you can see that there are separate pages as well, so user can visit these pages separately. So this is about, and this is a contact page, so user can visit all these details separately. Here's a blog page, and user can visit these pages separately. User can use this website in multiple languages. Currently there are only 3 languages, but you can insert as many as languages you want, and you can use this in any language you want. Here there are 2 options. Number 1 is login and number 2 is to sign up. So user can, if user have an account, user can go to login and user can log in its account from here. But if user don't have an account, user can click on register and user can sign up. So currently we are going to create the account. So here we'll create an account over here. Currently I'm entering the random details because I've turned off the 2FA. So let me just enter the. So here we have to enter a password. Here enter the confirm password. Click on I agree, and when you click on register, it will register your account. So here you can see that it has a very amazing user dashboard. And let me tell you that this is a completely mobile friendly website. So let me show you how it looks like in mobile. So this is how it will looks like in mobile. So it has a very amazing look in mobile phone. So you can see it over here like this. So this is how it will looks like in mobile phone. And here is a deposit section and all these. It's completely mobile friendly website, so you can easily use this in mobile phone. So this is how you can use this website in mobile phone. So first of all, you can see the total balance on your user dashboard. Here you can see total withdrawals, total investment of user. User can see deposits, total current investments and plans. And here user plan will be shown to user, the in which amount in which user have invested in. So here user can see pending investment, withdrawal, referral earning. User can see over here, and all referral tree will be appeared here. This is a referral link that user can use to refer other people. So this is the user dashboard. Here user can go to investment plans to invest in plans. So here user can invest using balance, or user can invest using different payment gateways. So user can use both methods to invest in the plan. And here user can see all the details about plan and referral commission like 5% on level 1, level 2 and everything over here. Here is the deposit section. So to deposit money, user can click on pay now, enter the amount, and here user can click on deposit now, and user can easily deposit money using any of the gateway user want. Currently we have not properly made the gateways, so you can insert the screenshot field, TRX ID field, so that user can fill and send you the deposit request. So request has sent it. That was just demo payment method. Similarly, you can use automatic payment gateways as well. So you can see all automatic payment gateways, Paytm and different payment, Paystack, Stripe, Browser Pay, Paytm, and all other gateways are available. You can use the automatic gateways as well. But if you want to create your own manual gateway, that you can create as well. Here user can transfer its money from one account to another using the email on the same website. Here is a withdrawal section, so user can withdraw its money. Currently I haven't created any withdraw method, but in this video I will show you how you can create the withdraw method from admin panel. So be with us and watch this video till the end. And viewers, before moving towards the video, do like the video and also subscribe to our channel as well, and share this video with other friends. And to buy this website or script, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Here's money transfer logs. So you can see all the money transfer logs, you can see your interest logs, transaction log. Here you can see all your referral log. You can turn on off two-factor authentication, so you can turn that on off from here. You can see your current plan. Here from support, you can generate a support ticket to admin for in case of any issue. So this is the complete user panel overview of this website, and this has 7 different templates as well. I mean 7 different designs of this website are available that you can change from admin panel. It's very simple. And now we will go to our admin panel of this website, and I'll show you how you can completely manage this website from admin panel. So to go to admin panel, I'll just copy the link from here. So here I'll just copy the link and type /admin after the link, so it will open the admin panel. So here this is the admin login page. So here we have to enter our admin email and admin password in order to log in. So we have to enter our credentials so we can log into the admin panel. So we'll click on login, and here you can see that we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. So this is a very amazing user panel. Currently the website is newly created, so you can see it's completely new. You can see it is on my domain over here. So here you can see the total investments in plans, total pending investment, total interest commission, total users, total active users, deactivated users. You can see the automatic gateways, withdraw charges, and everything like graphs and users will be shown you over here. And here you can also see the notification of user registration, payment request, deposit request. So you can see that we just sent it the deposit request of $1,000. That will notification is here, and you can change the admin details and language etc. from here. So from manage role, here you can create multiple role for agents. So you can make the roles for your support team. So you can add role or any permissions to manage your website. You can add it from here. Here you can make the multiple admins of your website from here. From manage plans, you can see all the plans that are currently on your website. You can off them, you can edit them from here if you want to edit them. Now if you want to create the new plan, just go to add plan, and by filling these simple details you can create a new plan to your website. Fill the plan name, a range or fixed plan you want to make, enter the amount, interest rate, time duration for the plan, 1 month, week, day, hour, etc. for lifetime or repeat, like for 7 days, 10 days, 100 days, capital back or not. So you can select it from here, and you can invest, user invest limit, status enable or disable, and you can easily create a plan on the website. So it's very simple to create a plan on this website. So here are the user. So you can manage all the users on the website. Currently you can see there is only our own account, so go to details and you can manage the user from here. So you can change the details of user, you can add balance to user account, you can log in as user, you can see commission log, interest log. Here From settings, you can change user details, verify their KYC, SMS verifications, KYC verifications, you can manage them. From add or subtract balance, you can add or subtract balance to user account. Suppose I will add $10,000 to this user account, click on add, and now you will see our balance will be changed to $10,000. So you can see balance has changed to $10,500. so this was a transaction, so you can see it over here. So this is how admin can add or subtract balance from user account. Similarly, we can subtract the balance as well. Here admin can see all the referrals and send the email to user from here. So it's very easy to manage the users on the website. It's completely simple. You don't need any coding knowledge or any other thing. You just have to control this website. If you buy script from us, we will completely set it up for you. But if you buy the complete website, we will build everything for you. So you don't need to worry about anything here. You can manage the support tickets and manage referral thing. So you can see all the multiple levels of referral on plans. Now if you want to create a new levels of commission on different any plan, you can create multiple levels of commission, any of the level of commission you want. Just click here, select the plan, and you can add referral commission from here on any plan you want. Select the plan and you can create referral commission. So this is how you can make the referral levels. So it's very simple. From here you can approve or reject the deposit request of user. So from manual payments, so sorry, from here you will automatic payment will come here, and here in deposit methods, so you will see the deposit request of users and you can approve them or reject them. So as you can see, the one request I have sent it, so we can accept it from here or we can reject it from here. So it is approved now. So this is how you can approve the request or deposit request of users from here. So these are the gateway settings. So from here you can see all the automatic gateways like PayPal, Stripe, coin payments, now payments, Paytm, bank payments, everything will be here. So you can use automatic gateways. Now if you want to create your new payment method, like you can see there is one payment method, that is manual gateway. So you can go to create gateway, and by filling these simple details you can create a new gateway to your website. Enter the images, QR codes, name of gateway, currency, conversion rate, enter the instructions or your any of the instruction of payment method, add a field for screenshot or TRX ID, and you can easily create a payment method. So it's very simple and easy to create the payment method on the website. Here you can manage all the email configuration and settings. From general setting, basically you can manage the main setting, like you can change the name of website, you can change the currency of website, you can change the color of website from here, sign up bonus you can change, time zone you can change it from here, and here you can change the logo of this website and footer section and some other things. You can change them from here, and you can also turn on off email verification and KYCs etc. from this section. Here you can manage the preloader settings, you can manage Google Analytics, cookie settings, reCAPTCHAs, you can add live chat to this website, you can manage global SEO, you can directly do SEO from here, and you can clear the cache. Basically from language, you can insert multiple languages. Currently there are 3 languages as I told you. Now if you want to create any other language, so you can click on create now, and you can add any of the language you want. Just enter the name and language code, and you can easily add a new language to this website. It's very simple. And here is manage theme, that is the most important option over here. So you can see there are many themes over here, so you can use any of the theme you want. Suppose I will convert it to white theme. So click on active, and now when we will refresh the website, you can see that the theme has changed successfully. So theme has changed now, so you can see it over here. So this is how you can change the theme on your website. So it's now you can see there is another theme that is also very amazing theme. So you can change this theme. Similarly, you can also use the green theme. So let me just turn it on. Now when I refresh it, you will see that this theme will also be changed. So you can see that now it is converted to green theme. So this is how you can easily change the themes from admin panel. Similarly, you can change the purple theme and universe theme easily. So theme has changed. Similarly, viewers, you can change all the themes that are provided to you, and you can change them and you can use them. So you can see how amazing these themes are. So this is how you can change the themes on the website. Here you can manage user interest logs from here, so you can see all of them over here. You can manage the commission from front end. Basically you can manage the complete front end homepage settings. Here you can edit the banner section, so you can see this is our banner. You can edit the banner. Each and every section that is here or text that is on the website is changeable. Here if you want to edit the about us section, you can edit the about us section as well. Each and every text that is here is changeable. So similarly all these sections are here that are on home page. You can edit them and use them. So viewers, in this video I guided you completely about this website. Now viewers, if you want to buy this website or if you want to buy the script, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. WhatsApp number is also showing on the screen, and Telegram and WhatsApp link is also in description. You can directly contact us from there. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.